We've all sat through presentations that feel like they last a lifetime. Endless slides, crammed with text, and delivered in a monotone voice that sucks the energy out of the room. The thing is, it doesn't have to be this way. Now with AI tools at your fingertips, you can turn those boring slides into memorable experiences that keeps your audience hooked. Today, I'm going to share how you can use AI to elevate every part of your presentation, from crafting engaging content to nailing the delivery. Creating a killer presentation starts way before you even open up a PowerPoint or Google Slides. It begins with knowing your audience and having solid content. But researching can feel like a time-consuming task. That's where AI steps in to save the day. Imagine you're preparing a talk on sustainable business practices. Instead of sifting through endless articles, just ask tools like ChatGPT or Gemini or Perplexity for a quick rundown on the latest trends, key stats, or even potential questions your audience might have. Suddenly, you have a clear idea of what people are curious about, and you can tailor your content to address those interests directly. It's like having a research assistant that works 24/7. And once you've got your data, tools like Grammarly or Copy.ai can help you turn it into an engaging copy, catchy headlines, punchy bullet points, and a strong hook that grabs attention right from the start. Now let's be real, no one wants to sit through a presentation filled with black and white slides. The visuals can make or break your presentation. But don't worry if you're not a designer, because AI's got your back here too. Have you tried Canva or Beautiful.ai? These tools are like having a graphic designer on demand. You enter your text and the AI suggests layouts, color schemes, images that match your theme. Imagine turning a boring list of bullet points into an engaging infographic in minutes. You don't need to guess which colors go together or how to arrange elements. AI handles the design work, making your slides look polished and professional. And if you need something more dynamic, tools like Lumen 5 can transform key points into short, attention-grabbing videos. Whether it's a short animation to explain a concept or a sleek transition effect, these AI tools help keep your audience eyes glued to the screen. But let's not stop at slides. How about adding a little pizzazz with multimedia elements? Gone are the days relying solely on static images. With tools like Pictory, you can create a short video that summarizes your main points, making them more memorable. If you're discussing data, why not use an animated graph that updates in real time? It's an easy way to break up the monotony and give your audience something visually engaging to focus on. And don't overlook the power of unique visuals. AI image generators like DALL-E can create custom images based on your descriptions, giving your presentation a unique flair that stock photos just can't provide. Another key thing to note is that just like science fiction, we're going to start to see incredibly interactive presentations, and videos finally going to have its place inside a presentation, and it will feel so much more natural. They're also going to become so much more interactive as a result of AI. That's a forthcoming attraction. Okay, so you've got killer slides and amazing visuals, but here's the thing, even the best looking presentation can fall flat if your delivery isn't up to par. So how can AI help you win over an audience? Well, tools like Udly and Ori give you real-time feedback on your speaking style. They're awesome. They can analyze your pace, detect filler words like and ah, and even suggest improvements for clarity and tone. Imagine practicing your pitch and getting instant tips to help you sound more confident and polished. It's like having a personal speech coach, but without that hefty price tag. And trust me, a well-delivered presentation can make all the difference between engaging your audience and losing them halfway through. And here's the bonus tip. The most engaging presentations aren't just one way, they involve the audience. So tools like Slido and Poll Everywhere can turn a passive presentation into an interactive experience. You can start with a fun poll to break the ice, use live Q&A features to address questions as they come up. It's an easy way to keep your audience engaged and make them feel involved. Plus, it gives you real-time feedback on how well your message is landing. It's like having a direct line to your audience thoughts, allowing you to adapt on the fly. It appears today that AI can do almost everything, Whether it's research, content creation, design, or delivery, these tools can help you elevate every aspect of your presentation. So the next time you're gearing up for a big pitch or a company meeting, let AI be your secret weapon. I will tell you that it sounds like that's a lot. Lots of apps. They're pretty straightforward to use. They're not as daunting as they sound. They've got catchy names, but you'll get to use them pretty easy. So I would really recommend lean in and give them a go. They're going to transform your experience and make it more fun. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to step up their presentation game. Let's make sure no one ever has to sit through another boring slide deck again. We can all be superstars at presenting, and we can do it in many different formats. Thanks for watching.